Oh, we're starting another week of our homework. Where's my pencil? Here's my pencil. All right, so Eureka Math Squared for fourth grade. We're on Module 2, right there. Module 2, Lesson 15. Okay, I don't know what's going on with the camera, guys. I apologize. I'm trying. It keeps flipping, adjusting. Oh, well, I think that works. Post-it notes are. All right, so draw on the place value chart to divide, then complete the questions. Complete the equations over here. You have to do this. It'll make this easier. Okay? Do this to make this easier. So let's look at the first one. 153 divided by 3. So let's draw our, this only says tens. Even though we have 153, it only says tens. So we just stop. The tens will be our biggest place. So that's going to be 15 tens. So let's draw those out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. All done nice and neat. And then how many ones do we have? We have 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. We're dividing by 3, so we need to make 3 rows. That's 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows, right? Row 1, row 2, row 3. You don't have to write 1, 2, or 3. I'm just doing that so maybe it helps you out a little bit. You can, all right, I'll redo it. My handwriting is sloppy. I'll redo this. I'm going to have people saying stuff. 2, 3. There. Doesn't get much neater for me than that. All right. So now we've gone over this. Okay. Take your time. Is this the fastest way to do it? Nope. But if you take your time, will this be the best way? I think it is. I truly think this is the easiest way to divide out of all the ways, but it does take the longest. I didn't say it was easy to do. I said it was the easiest way to divide. So 3 columns, all of these. Let's see if all of our tens are going to go even. So we have 1, 2, 3. That means we have to have at least 3 every time so that each row gets one. So 1, 2, 3. Let's go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It's better if you go one at a time. So I'll go one at a time. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. All right. 1, 1, 1. I crossed it off down here. It's that kind of day here in my classroom. And then 1, 2, 3 left. 1, 2, 3 left. Cross, cross, cross. All right, now we got 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. Now if I do my total in this one, I have 1 in each row. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 tens in each one. So that's my answer. Oops, hold on. I hit the wrong button. Hold on, we're coming back. All right, we're back. Sorry about that. I hit the mouse by accident. All right, so now we look at the numbers we put over here. It wants to know how many tens we used. Well, we used 15 tens over here because it was enough to evenly go in each group. If we would have been able to evenly go in each group, remember, you have to blow up a 10 and drag it over. But because we had enough that every group had the same amount of tens, we didn't have to blow up and make more ones. All right? So we had 15 tens and we had 3 ones. Then we divided 150 because 15 tens are worth 150 and 3 ones. 150 divided by 3, you told me it was 50, right? Because it's in the tens place. And you said that 3 divided by 3 was 1. If we have 50 plus 1, we have 51. All right, I will give you a heads up. Down here, you are going to have to blow up a 10 and drag it over. Okay? You are going to have to blow up 1 10 and drag it over. And if you look, there's kind of a hint right here. That's all I'll say. All right, draw this out the same way. You're dividing by 2 again. It ends in a 2, which means that it should work out nice and even eventually. But you are going to have to blow up a 10 and make 10 more ones. That's my hint for that. On the back, subtract by using the standard algorithm. For those of us who don't remember the standard algorithm, I call it old person math. I'm old. I'm allowed to do that. That's one of the advantages of being old. They keep telling me. I don't know many other ones. 8, 2, 9, 3, 5. Remember, if you're borrowing, cross off, put the new number up top. That's what this is for. Find your answer. Complete the conversion table. Kilometers to meters. Kilometers to meters. Kilometers to meters. Kilometers to meters. Kilometers. How many? How many zeros? I'll give you a hint. How many zeros do you need to add? See if you can go back and find it. See if you remember. I am not telling you. This one is on you. All right. Today's homework was a little bit quicker, which is good. If you're in my class, or if you're anywhere, actually, I think, because tomorrow is November 4th, that is Election Day. Kids do not have school almost everywhere that I know of. Teachers, unfortunately, we do it where I work. So if you don't have school tomorrow, lucky you. Enjoy your day. But either way, I will be back with lesson 16 homework for Wednesday, November 5th, if you're in Mr. Short's class. If you're not, it's whenever your teacher assigns it for you. But I hope this helps. Have a great night, guys.